how to get unbanned from Roblox games. You want to load up the Roblox website, and here in the URL it is going to say /home. You just want to change /home to /support. Click on enter and it's going to take us to this page, contact us. Now you want to fill out your email address because this is important. You will receive the email right here on your address, and also confirm it. Afterwards, what device are you having the problem on? Here, choose the device which you use to play Roblox. I use PC, you can choose either of those. And then this is the most important part, type of help category. You want to go and choose moderation. Here, please select, you can choose whichever one is, whichever one is for you. So I was wrongfully moderated for content I created. I was wrongfully moderated for behavior or the behavior of an alternate account. I will just do this for I was wrongfully moderated for the content I created. And here you want to paste something like this. I believe that I was wrongfully moderated /banned and would like to appeal. Please review my chat logs. Thank you. So here again, like I said, you can choose whichever one is fitting for you, depending on your specific case. But if you have written your email address here and confirmed it, you can click on continue and then check your email for a response from the Roblox team. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I will see you next time.